Sir Dominador Rosario of Araling Panlipunan Department, Dr. Rowena Doliente of English Department, Ma'am Lorena Patuan of Science Department, Ma'am Rowena Pereras of PLE Department, Sir Raymart Garay of Math Department, Ma'am Venus Dumantay of ESP Department, Ma'am Marivic Beneve of Filipino Department, and Ma'am Vanessa Rapsing of the Senior High School, and to the indefatigable teachers of Malasiki National High School, students and parents, a pleasant morning. Thank you, Dr. Carmelita O. Paragas, for that warm introduction. I learned a lot from Dr. Paragas, who was the school paper advisor when I was the editor-in-chief of The Pioneer. To my 10th grade advisor, Ma'am Cristina de los Santos, one of the best math teachers I had as a student. To Dr. Rowena Doliente, whom I learned a lot from during our English class. To my science teacher, Ma'am Radona, who really sparked my curiosity. To Ma'am Elena Gavina and Ma'am Marivic Beneve, my Araling Panlipunan and Filipino teachers respectively. They effectively instilled patriotism in me. Thank you, ma'am. To Sir Mariano Ferrer, my MAPE teacher and Scoutmaster, sir. To Sir Desiderio Dumantay, my 9th grade English teacher, whom I learned a lot from and helped me to be confident. To Sir Jose M. Gavina Jr., my Araling Panlipunan teacher, who taught me that nothing beats preparation. To Sir Jimmy Bandong, who enriched my knowledge about computers. To all teachers in Malasiki National High School, you have been a great part of my educational journey, and I am forever grateful for your guidance and unwavering support. I am a professional teacher, part of the noblest profession because of you. It feels great to be with you, Malasiki National High School, especially during this time where you learners are celebrating an important milestone in your high school journey, moving up. It feels like yesterday when I too had been part of the moving up rites. Yes, you heard it right. I was like you. A student who just finished 10th grade. I belong to the first batch of K-12 graduates. Oh, ayan. Nabuking na tuloy ang edad ko. I'm 16. Kidding aside, I cannot emphasize enough the fact that I was like you just 8 years ago. Also listening to our guest of honor and speaker, wondering if I too could become someone who can inspire the next generation. You are now entering senior high school, one of the most challenging parts of your academic journey. You will pick which track and strand you want to specialize in and hone your skills. Picking which track and strand you would pursue is not the hardest. As a student, a fundamental skill that you should develop and be good at is prioritization. And that is quite hard to develop. You must decide which you should do first. Study up all night, burn the midnight oil as they say, or binge watch Netflix, K-drama, and play Mobile Legends. Prioritization. Seems like a no-brainer, right? Of course, the short answer is to study. But it is easier said than done. Kaya nga, kapag ang reklamo ninyo ay masakit na ulo, tiyan, or kamay, ang sinasabi palagi ng magulang nyo ay, kaka-cellphone mo yan. Pero baka naman iniisip ninyo na hindi ako naglaro ng computer games or nag-social media. Medyo nahilig din ako sa paglalaro ng computer games like Crossfire or League of Legends to the point that it affected my studies. Buti na lang, nandiyan ang aking mga magulang na parehong guro din dito sa Malasiki National High School, si Ma'am Lola Galvan and Sir Budin Galvan, my strict but supportive parents, at sa mga guro na pinagsabihan at pinaalalahanan ako. My math teacher that time, Ma'am Annalisa Mendoza, informed my parents of the low scores that I've been getting. Pinagsasabihan at pinagalitan ako mismo doon sa
computer shop ni Papa ko. Sinusundo talaga niya ako doon at kuminsan napapahiya pa. Siyempre, nagising ako sa katotohanan na wala naman talaga akong nakukuhang maganda sa paglalaro ng computer games. From that time, I stopped playing computer games and I refocused my time on studying.